What's up, guys? We gonna make some hot sauce today, and I hope that you guys can learn a little something or just enjoy a little bit of the sauciness that is coming your way. Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna show you the little box that I got. It is called the Artisan hot sauce making kit. Grow and make. Inside of this box, bam! Ooh, a little too fast. We got gaggio, chipotle, the orbol pepper. Okay, so we got 3 different types of peppers. This kit makes 3 different types of sauces. So in this little handy dandy notebook here, it tells you how to make 6 different sauces. So you can kind of have a little bit of, variety other than just making what they give you. Also, they set you up with a little bit of these gloves because you're gonna need them. I'm working with those hot peppers, hot ass peppers. Okay, so they give me some sanitizing powder. The grow and make, this is all the seasonings that I'm gonna need for all my sauces right here. Bam, you got your 3 bottles nicely placed in here. You got your little funnel for putting your sauce into the bottle. And you got your apple vinegar cider, bang, distilled white vinegar. That is all the things that you are gonna need to make the sauce. Also, if you really love spicy things, which if you know me, I love spicy. I went to Trader Joe's for the first time and this was the first thing that I found. It's these little fruit snacks. Mango jalapeno, and they are absolutely delicious. You need to go now. There's 2 alternatives here to sanitizing your bottles. My alternative, other than the sanitizing powder that they give us, is to boil the bottles and the caps for 3 minutes. Let it cool off. Got my boiling water right here. I'm about ready to drop them in. Oh, I'm just gonna, oh yeah, dunk it under so you get all the air out of it. Okay, drop the cap in. All right, here goes number 3. That's a real hot bottle, yo. Oh yeah. All right, so after you sanitize your bottles, we're gonna prep the peppers. We're gonna put these little funky gloves on. So the way that we're gonna kind of do this, I'm gonna keep the seeds in. I keep my seeds in for my hotness. Kind of smells like a Dorito. It's probably what they use in Doritos. You pretty much just want to cut off the stem. Chop it up real small and crush it and do whatever you gotta do to get it in its smallest form. This is what I'm gonna put into the blender. I didn't realize that you're supposed to blend it, but this is also my first time making sauce. This is exactly what you don't want. I'm gonna blend her up in this little pup right here. Woo-wee, we got some fine powder there. So this is what it looks like afterwards. To the chipotle pepper. Looks like a big raisin. Let's make some raisin sauce. I did try chopping the ends off of these, but I could barely even tell where the ends were. So I'm just gonna toss them in the blender right now, you know what I mean? Go. This is what the pepper looks like afterwards. This is making my my senses tear up a little bit. The gaggio pepper. What's up, guys? I'm back and my camera is not dead anymore. What we got going on here is all of our bagged up pepper. I'm going to add it in and we're gonna make our first sauce, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so we're going to boil 3/4 cup of water. So after that, you add about 3/4 of your ground up pepper here. You're gonna wanna stir that in and then let it sit for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Crack a little bit of this in there. A teaspoon of brown sugar. We got the sugar, okay? 1 teaspoon. If you can't tell, I don't do this very often. This is my first time making some sauce. If you know me, I like the sauce. Bam! I put a little bit of extra in there, I know. 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I feel like I'm taking medicine again. That concludes that part of the sauce. Now that you've waited a very long time, about 10 minutes after you had this to a boil, we're gonna bring this back up to a temp. Bam! Get it bumping. You're gonna wanna bring this to a mother-loving boil again. A rolling boil. Your vinegar, sauce. The sauce is the boss. 1 to get this sauce to a rolling boil for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Boom. All right, so the first sauce is going in. This right here is called Campfire Chipotle, and it's thick. I'll tell you what, thick mama. Ooh, look at that sauce. I'm gonna try it out. Alright, so the next sauce is going to be a curry pineapple, but I don't have any pineapple. I got mangoes. So we're going to make a curry pineapple, mango, non-pineapple. I'm going to make a curry mango. We're going to see how it turns out, you know what I mean? Going to put in my pineapples. Mangoes. Bam! I keep wanting to call them pineapples still. But it says pretty much put the whole thing of curry powder in, so I'm just gonna go just about till it's empty. After that, you're gonna want to put in half a teaspoon of salt. So after that, you're gonna want to stir this up. You're gonna want to bring this to a boil, a rolling boil for about 2 minutes. Ooh, saucy. Alright, so after you get it all the way to a rolling boil for about 2 minutes, it's gonna look a little something like that. You're gonna want to go ahead and pour it in to your blender. Your blender. Bam. And then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to put 2 tablespoons of this in there. Splash. Splash. Then you're gonna want to blend it. Oh baby. Saucy. Well, you can add some cayenne pepper. You ain't gotta test me with adding some cayenne pepper. You know I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper no matter what. Boom! There goes some cayenne pepper. Ooh, wait. We're gonna add the sauce to the bottle. My ding dang. Ooh, wait. Damn. Alright guys, so I've realized that on that last sauce that I made, the curry spicy ass mango, didn't even use any of my peppers that I had shredded up.